Good morning from an illegal camp just north of Nazare, heading towards Obidos today, and then Peniche, where I've got a warm showers host, so when the rain does inevitably come, at least I know I'm going to be dry tonight. As for now, I need to quickly pack the tent away before the rain arrives this morning. Oh dear, missed my window. Hola!
You're on the top almost.
Oh, great. Good news. Where are you heading today?
We're on the way by the coast, just maybe
Yeah.
more of us, maybe it's
Oh,
too
okay.
long. Maybe we stop a bit before.
Okay.
Depends
Go
a
that
little bit
way.
of the weather.
Yeah, I think it's better this afternoon. Guidebook says these tiles are Dutch for some reason. The weather is genuinely changing every 5 or 10 minutes right now, so I don't know what to wear. I'm just going to get wet. At least it's not cold, and hopefully there is some better weather coming this afternoon. Where's my flat bike path along the coast? Bon dia. Oh my gosh. Okay. I should probably make a stop at Nossa Senhora de Boa Viagem. Hey! Lots of ex-windmills here. Real quick, while I'm somewhat sheltered from the wind. Oh no, it's back. Thank you so much, Sally, who bought me coffees on the Buy Me a Coffee app. Sally and family hosted me very graciously in England and is a big fan of Portugal too. So thank you so much for your support, Sally. And we're hiking. to my mind, this might be the most beautiful Portuguese church I've seen yet. Note the complete absence of guardrail, so I'm watching where I'm going and not what I'm filming.
Wygląda dobrze. No jakiś ser. Bo nie są też jakieś skoronie. A wtedy
Por favor. This seems to be the thing here. Shots in a little chocolate cup, and this guy's doing them for €1. So. Oh, that's delicious. Oh, it's cherry brandy, I think. So I need to take the direct and busy road straight to Peniche. Alright, this is the island of Peniche. No time to check it out now. I need to get to my warm showers host.
Park him over there somewhere, anywhere will do.
Cheers. I'm looking for the Vivente! Yeah! Amazing!
Identical.
Yeah.
Even got belt drive and roll off.
Oh,
Yeah.
happy days.
How much time?
That is a peacock. What's that doing?
It's in that green area just